If you have thoughts about switching social media platforms for your business, then I'm going to help you out and tell you what each of them are good for. Instagram, I didn't even write down because it's the GOAT, right? It's the number one. They just make it easiest to sell on Instagram. YouTube, you thought about YouTube? YouTube is a long-term play. Use it, use it, use it. Don't overthink it. Get used to posting. Get your subscribers up slowly and surely. And in the long term, it's going to be beneficial. But don't overthink it or try and make money ASAP from it. Facebook is like a backup, or it's for older individuals, 35 plus. All right. So I would run it as a backup. I wouldn't give it the most priority unless you've proven it. It's gotten you loads of clients and your niche story is over 35 plus. LinkedIn is for professionals and corporates. And I mean professionals and corporates, not just I work with busy professionals. I mean literally people who are, like in certain jobs of high positions, senior positions, who spend most of their time on LinkedIn. And then lastly, TikTok is probably for growth. I will not be using it to try and get clients. I'll use it to grow your Instagram page. So just posting the same content there or posting more content there, right? That's what you use your social media platforms for. But if you want to know personally what's right for you and you want a personal strategy, all you got to do is DM or comment below growth, and I will drop you some more info about a one-to-one strategy call where you get to keep the strategy. All right. Sounds like a good deal to me. Peace.